Okay, good morning all. Today we are seeing about that is the childbirth education classes. The childbirth, that is the giving it to the family and members we can give regarding the childbirth education classes. The there are we can see different childbirth educators and teaching methods. Then in childbirth education classes, cultural and socio-economic factors, then expectant parent classes, that is sibling education classes, and that is the parents also needed education classes, siblings, that is the their own siblings also needed, the coming of new member towards the family, that also we can be teach. Then childbirth education preparation, how the childbirth process, that is the coming to the term, we should be prepared, how the mother should be prepared mentally and that physically we should be prepared, that is perineal and abdominal exercises. Then tailoring, that is perineal and abdominal exercises, that is tailoring sitting. Tailor sitting means how that see familiar, that is the tailor's position. Then squatting position, Kegel exercises, abdominal muscle contractions, pelvic rocking. Childbirth education, pain management method are Birdley, psychosexual, Dick Reid. Birdley means the natural process of childbirth. That is we are adopting daily. That is about to 87 to 90% natural childbirth method. That is the Birdley method. You can see while you search the Google, we can see many of the how that is the that is giving the psychological support, physical support, natural, then giving good nutrition, then improve the importance of breastfeeding. These all things are there, will be included in there. Then psychosexual, then Dick Reid method, that is also the one of the other method of natural method to minimize the surgical and anesthetic aspects. Then pain management methods, LAMES, that is the building, LAMES, that is the LAMES means the building confidence and coping mechanism towards the childbirth that process, that is the LAMES method. The gait control, conditional reflexes, conscious relaxation, cleansing birth, conscious controlled breathing, effleurage means that is the massage technique. Effleurage is giving massage technique of the with the long strokes or light strokes towards the arm, thighs, calf muscles, back, any area, that is the means effleurage. Then focusing, which area, that is the we are focusing towards the childbirth areas, that is giving towards the good atmosphere. Then second stage of breathing. Then supplies to prepare labor, that is the item, how the purposes are there. Okay. Then birth sitting, appropriate sitting, that birth attendant support person, hospital births, postpartum birth. Then advantages and disadvantages of hospital birth. Women encouraged to prepare control discomfort of labor through non-medication measures such as controlled breathing. Encouraged to be knowledgeable about the labor process. Then encouraged to consider breastfeeding, uterine contraction, infant bonding, labor, birth and immediate postpartum care. Woman is attended by a skilled professionals during labor and birth and the postpartum period. Emergency care and extended high risk care are immediately available. Disadvantages: separation of family for at least one night. Disadvantages, that is the family and the other siblings or then husband, that is all will be separated. Mother may not feel as much control of the childbirth experiences. Care may be fragmented, particularly if the woman's physician is not present during the entire labor and birth. Labor nurse and change shift in the middle of the labor. Many nurse, midwives and physicians make it a point, however, to remain with their client throughout the entire childbirth experience. And birth setting, alternative birthing centers, home birth, children attending the birth. Then birth settings, advantages: encourage prepared control discomfort labor through the non-medication A woman is encouraged to be knowledgeable. Woman is encouraged to breastfeed. Family integrity. Women attend to professionals during the labor and birth. Emergency care immediately available. Disadvantage, high risk care not immediately available. Woman may be fatigued after birth. Then she must be independently monitor her postpartum status, so her early discharge. Home birthinte advantages and disadvantages. Encouraged to become knowledgeable about the birth process and can be active participant independently reducing discomfort of labor. Woman has greatest freedom of expressing her individuality. No separation of family at birth. Disadvantages, adequate equipment other than first line emergency equipment available, and abrupt change in the goals necessary. Woman and support person may become exhausted because of the responsibility placed of. Alternative methods of birth are labor method, that is the birthing room is darkened, soft music, infant placed immediately into warm water, birth, hydrotherapy and water birth. These all things we have seen. Okay, thank you.